Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Following are the interesting and noteworthy examples of colloids. Blue color of the sky. Dust particles along with water suspended in air scatter blue light which reaches our eyes and the sky looks blue to us. Fog, mist and rain. When a large mass of air containing dust particles is cooled below its dew point, the moisture from the air condenses on the surfaces of these particles forming fine droplets. These droplets, being colloidal in nature, continue to flow in air in the form of mist or fog. Clouds are aerosols having small droplets of water suspended in air. On account of condensation in the upper atmosphere, the colloidal droplets of water grow bigger and bigger in size, till they come down in the form of rain. Sometimes the rainfall occurs when two oppositely charged clouds meet. It is possible to cause artificial rain by throwing electrified sand or spraying a sol carrying charge opposite to the one on the clouds from an aeroplane. Food articles, milk, butter, halwa, ice creams, fruit juices, etc. are all colloids in one form or the other. Blood. It is a colloidal solution of an albuminoid substance. The styptic action of alum and ferric chloride solution is due to coagulation of blood forming a clot which stops further bleeding. Soils. Fertile soils are colloidal in nature in which humus acts as a protective colloid. On account of colloidal nature, soils absorb moisture and nourishing materials. Formation of delta. River water is a colloidal solution of clay. Sea water contains a number of electrolytes. When river water meets the sea water, the electrolytes present in the sea water coagulate the colloidal solution of clay, resulting in its deposition with the formation of delta. Application of colloids. Colloids are widely used in the industry. Following are some examples. Electrical preparation of smoke. Smoke is a colloidal solution of solid particles such as carbon, arsenic compound, dust, etc. in air. The smoke, before it comes out from the chimney, is led through a chamber containing plates having a charge opposite to that carried by smoke particles. The particles, on coming in contact with these plates, lose their charge and get precipitated. The particles thus settle down on the floor of the chamber. The precipitator is called Cottrell precipitator. Precipitator. Purification of drinking water. The water obtained from natural resources often contains suspended impurities. Alum is added to such water to coagulate the suspended impurities and make water fit for the drinking purposes. Medicines. Most of the medicines are colloidal in nature. For example, argyroyl is a silver sol used as an eye lotion. Colloidal antimony is used in curing kala-azar. Colloidal gold is used for intramuscular injection. Milk of magnesia and emulsion is used for stomach disorders. Colloidal medicines are more effective because they have large surface area and are therefore easily assimilated. Cottrell smoke precipitator consisting of high voltage electrode 30,000 volts or more, gas outlet free from carbon particles, and the precipitated ash at the bottom and the smoke inlet. Tanning. Animal hides are colloidal in nature. When a hide which has positively charged particles is soaked in tannin which contains negatively charged colloidal particles, mutual coagulation takes place. This results in the hardening of leather. This process is termed as tanning. Chromium salts are also used in the place of tannin. Cleansing action of soaps and detergents. This has already been described in section 5.4.3. Photographic plates and films. Photographic plates or films are prepared by coating an emulsion of the light sensitive silver bromide in gelatin over glass plates or celluloid films. Rubber industry. Latex is a colloidal solution of rubber particles which are negatively charged. Rubber is obtained by coagulation of latex. Industrial products, paints, inks, synthetic plastics, rubber, graphite lubricants, cements, etc. are all colloidal solutions. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.